So the fact that we don't have to replace as many mats as we did previously is a huge cost saving for our organization and for our customers. That's something that is very much appreciated about this mat. It appears to be a simple product, but there are so many aspects to it that are not obvious that we appreciate about this product from Legend. Hi, I'm Sean Kelly, Fleet Sales and Purchasing Executive with U-Haul in Tempe, Arizona. I've been with U-Haul, I'm on my 43rd year, and I work with buying vans for our rental fleet, outfitting those vans, making them into a U-Haul rental van before putting them into service. This is a Ram ProMaster, and most of our vans are upfit exactly like this. We have wood rub rails to protect the sides of the van from any kind of moving load. We have a partition that we put in each van. Adequate lighting is in the van, and we put a cargo mat on the floor of the van to protect the floor and also to protect our customers' goods. This mat is very durable, it's very serviceable, it's easy to clean. We've had issues with mats in the past. Because our vans are located throughout North America, sometimes they are exposed to extreme weather conditions, especially heat. Here in Arizona, it can get to 115 or even higher degrees, and inside of a closed van, it gets even hotter. And some of the mats we've had before, because of that extreme heat, when you would open the doors, there would be an odor. We don't have that problem with this mat. If the mat gets damaged, we can replace it at a relatively low cost, and the van looks brand new. The floor is protected. If the mat needs to be replaced, we just drop another mat in there and it's a brand new van again. The pattern on top of this mat is designed very well. It prevents movement of items. It has a grip to it, but at the same time, these patterns are not deep enough to cause things like dirt and rocks and leaves to get caught up in them, which was a problem we had with mats we had before. Once again, that speaks to how easy it is to clean this mat, which is a great advantage over other mats that we've had. These are top quality used units, and they're very sought after in the industry, and the mat is part of that. These vans are low miles and in very good condition, so they're very desirable to maybe a plumber or somebody in a different trade, an HVAC guy that doesn't really want to buy a new van right off the lot. And because of the low upfit that's in there, it's a blank canvas if they want to reconfigure it in a different way. But the point is that the van is in great shape and it's serviceable as soon as you buy it. At U-Haul, we are all about serving our customers. And we get the sense that Legend has that same objective in mind, in this case with us being the customer. When we get into a situation, whether it be a spec issue or a timing issue, Legend has always been there for us, even after hours in a couple of cases when that was necessary, and that is so much appreciated. We don't get that too often, and we really value that from the suppliers that take customer service really seriously. In addition to the product itself, the customer service is kind of the icing on top of the cake. It really just makes it a great relationship working with Legend over the last number of years that we have, and we're looking forward to working with them for many, many years to come.